Oh, fucking... Okay, guys, we're going to look at Euro JPY this morning. Now, we did it earlier with the guys in the squad. Oh, let me just adjust that. That's better. And we broke it down, and it was in for a scalp. It's now gone 10 o'clock, and I've reassessed it, and the sentiments are changing. So let's have a look at it. So, flick this over. Just pull this kind of down into where we're up. You can see it's just gone in, and there it is down there. Now, it's not a particularly nice trade. Okay. I've finished the other work that I was doing up here, and we're now just looking at this. Let me put the bigger version on just so I can explain it. And I'll see if I can do this without Winky kicking me head in, because she's not speaking to us today. Apparently I'm a pig. Yeah.
You're grumpy.
I'm a grumpy pig, so she's not speaking to me. Are you going to be lovely to me?
I'm always lovely.
Go on, I'll let you have the willy.
You're the one that's tired and grumpy.
I am tired. I'm not grumpy. I'm not. Right. Look at the scale. So the euro is middle of the ground. Okay, midway. Is it gaining or losing strength? It's actually losing strength. Right. So we know there's a little bit of a push against it, but it's nothing much to worry about on that score. It has a decent ATR in it, so getting 12 pips isn't a problem. But when I look at this, I can see I'm in a bear market, and the low time frames are telling me to sell it. So I pretty much want to just sell it now, because sentiments have changed. The main trade is neutral, so could be anybody's game, but I've also looked at red light, green light. It's just triggered, and that's coming in as a sell. Okay, so I'm happy to start looking to sell into this market. Now, there's various ways it can be done. Now, at the moment, it's pushing down. Look, key levels, one thing, another, and just by an eye shot, you can see there's more red than there's not. So if I want to sell it, where can I sell it? I've got a strong drive here on a 15-minute chart, and all this price is closed inside it. So without even going out to hourly charts, etc., I'll go, okay, well, there's a strong drive. It's been up, it's tapped the 50 and rejected it, and it's coming down into this level here. So there's a level that I can work with. Just there. Okay. Nice, simple, easy premise to work out. You know, to tap of the 50, it's a failure. We're in a general downward trend of the market. So just sell it from those levels. How do we know we're in a downward trend? Well, if we take it out into a high time frame, there you go. It's going down. Take it into 15 minutes so we can see what the full picture of this is. Yeah, all right. It's pushing against this, but it's pulling, it's failing. Take it into 5 minutes, just like so. Okay. What can we see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. There's kind of a fractal point. So yes, that level is pretty good. And then just follow candles up and then let it slam down. Very, very simple process. So we're looking to sell it. You're looking to sell under the last green closed candle. And you're looking for 12 pips. Bash. Right. So what does this mean? Well, if I'm looking to sell on that level, 12 pips, well, it's before the barrier. So that's an easy way of looking at it, because that could repel the price. It could bounce off and shoot up again. So you're only looking to take what the market is willing to give in the time period you're looking at. Well, I'm looking at the next hour, 40 minutes, and the chances are it can give me just 10 to 12, 15 pips maybe. Worked it out at 12. So I'm happy with that. And then all I'm going to do is I'm just going to follow the candles up and let it get on with it. Dead simple. So when that closes in a few minutes time, I'll move the price underneath there. If it's green, 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 and then boof down, and I'm going to keep the target the same. Simple premise. Okay. So now what I have to do is be nice to Winky, because apparently I've been a knobhead. You shouldn't leave this lying around, you know. People get the wrong idea of you. It
wasn't mine, it's yours.
I mean, look at that.
It says, yeah.
Disgusting. Wasn't disgusting when you were buying it.
You bought
She bought it, you know. We're in Benidorm and we were laughing at sort of Scruff Live when we're out there. Wouldn't it be great to have a willy so that we can sort of take the mickey out the Popeyes? Because let's be honest, they are a bunch of cocks. And as soon as she heard the word cock, she was straight in the sex shop.
I was not.
She was straight in. She's a dirty girl, you know. She's really dirty. Right. Are you ready? You fucking hate me, don't you?
That's fine. Yeah.
Right, okay. I'll let this play out. Oh, dear. Okay, guys. There you go. Job's done. So follow the same routine as always. Just make certain my tickets are off. So no tickets running. And there you go. That's it, paid for the hour. Did exactly what I wanted to do. Follow up, got in the best price, down to a reasonable target. And that's it. So again, that follows on from what I was saying to the guys earlier today. Don't be greedy. Just take what the market's willing to give in the time period that it's willing to give it in, and just work from level to level. And the job is a doddle. And I do it day in, day out. And I know it sounds a bit boring, and I guess it is boring, which is why you need to spice things up a little bit. And you do that by sort of enjoying yourself every day. You love it.
Yeah.
Would you want a banana instead?
You know.
Huh? You want the third one?
No.
What do you mean, no?
I don't even know what it is. Oh, he's constant.
It's a shit. And that's what she thinks I am today. She thinks I'm a little shit. Well, I'm not a little shit. I'm a big shit.
You said it.
But I've got me stress ball, and I need it today. I've still got it, Danny. Danny, look, I've still got it, Danny. I've still got it. And I need me notepad. See, proper notepad, Star Wars. And then we have our little lightsabers. Need them. Red one today. Let's see what Winky's is going to be. Oh, she's got blue one. Let's fight. Come on, fight. Oh, you fucking bitch. Fucking cow. Do you see that on air, boys and girls? On air. See, she fucking didn't on this.
You'll be fine. You can go for your walk and walk it up.
Skinny fucking bitch. Right. Right. So, we're going to go off for a walk. And apparently I'll limp all the way since she hurt me. She hurt.
How did you limp? It wasn't your foot. Oh, you're pathetic.
You laughing at?
I'll limp.
Well, you fucking limp. Didn't even know. Well, I wasn't like you. I didn't bloody stab it with bloody venom. I was just like sort of doing what I normally do.
No, you didn't do it gently like that.
Right.
No, you forgot.
I have forgot. I'm off on a different track again. Those people who are coming in for the first time and looking at this going, what is this idiot doing? Well, this idiot's actually doing his job and loving his life. But everything you see on this channel is live and in the moment. And when you're in the Scruffy Squad, we'll pull a chart up just like what I've done. And I'll tell them exactly what I think is going to happen. And then they see the results. And I've got members in there that have been for years because they see the results all the time and they trust what I do. And you know something? From the bottom of my heart, I thank you so much, simply because you make what I do worth it. So, as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.